It's Gary at Broadlane. The postcode here for your sat nav is B495QD and the contact number is 01789763432. Today I'm going to show you around this brand new Swift Challenger exclusive, and it is exclusive to a select number of dealers only. 560 model. This model features the island bed with the washroom in the middle. It's two coloured, comes with an ATC system. It's got offside service lights, single axle, full cut diamond alloy wheels, and you can access the space under the fixed bed from the exterior locker, both sides. That's offside and near side. Let me show you around the interior, if I may. So it's a fantastic place to be. You've got two coloured lockers, positive catches, overlocker LED lighting, under palmet swivel lighting with brightness wheel. Part of the exclusive model is this automotive style stitched upholstery, 4 scatter cushions. It comes with wireless mobile phone charging point, phone specific. Kitchen extension, you've got the fabric pads just to soften up the whole of the interior. Fridge with a freezer compartment. It's even got the exclusive frets on the top of the cooker. It's got 3 gas and the electric hot plate. It comes with Alder heating system to keep you warm even in the coldest of months. Alarm system. Washroom in the middle. So if you want to go away with friends or family, this will be a great configuration. Come through this way, look. At the very back then, you've got fixed island bed. I'll just lift up this. Huge amount of storage. As I said earlier, you can access this space from the outside. And there we go. So once again, it's Gary Broadlane. We offer great part exchange. We've got finance subject to status. And on that note, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you very much indeed.